So from your tabletop position, let's tuck our toes under, placing our weight back onto our heels, dragging your pinky toes forward. And for this one, we're going to open up our knees nice and wide. So let's take a nice big inhale, arms come up, puff up through the chest. And on the exhale, you're going to bring your arms out wide and down. So pulling down with resistance. Holding the exhale out, you're going to swim the palms forward, top of the hands touch, reach your fingertips forward, spread wide through the back of the shoulder blades, and inhale to rise. Exhale, pull down with resistance. Sweep the palms forward, top of the hands touch, shoulders separate, and inhale to rise. Exhale, bend. Swim through. Inhale to rise. 2 more. Exhale, bend. Hold the exhale out. Swim through. Inhale to rise. Last one. Exhale, bend. Swim through. And inhale. From here, bringing the palms to touch. Take a nice big inhale into the chest. Slightly lean back, bend the elbows, and bring the back of the hands to the base of the neck. Open the elbows out wide, inhale. And exhale, lean your weight back into your hands. For 3. For 2. And 1. Gently release. Coming up, arms come up, hands come back and around. Interlace your fingers, squeeze your shoulder blades, squeeze your elbows, and reach your knuckles towards the back of your feet. For 3. For 2. And 1. Gently release. Rock forward, finding your tabletop position. And maybe from here you want to stretch it out, so maybe extending the right leg back and the left leg. Feeling a nice stretch through the calf, rotating the ankles. And then let's press our toenails into the floor and sit our weight back onto our heels. Just take a moment here. You can stay here, or you can gently lift your knees towards your chest for a count of 3, 2, inhale, and exhale, gently lower, rock forward, plant the palms, and untuck the toes again. And setting your tabletop up again, so shoulders are in line with the wrists, knees are in line with the hips. We'll take a few cat-cow. So inhale, belly drops, chin lifts. And exhale, round through the spine, chin to chest. Inhale, belly drops, chin lifts. And exhale, round. Inhale, belly drops, chin lifts. And exhale to round. So we'll make our cat-cows a little bit more active. Let's draw our shoulders a little bit beyond our wrists. Tilt the tailbone up towards the ceiling. And exhale, send the bum back towards the heels. And as you do so, pull the wrists back as well. Inhale, round forward. And exhale, send the hips back. A few more. Inhale to round forward. Exhale, send the hips back. Last one, inhale, round forward. And on this one, our exhale will find an upward facing dog. And from here, we're going to roll right onto our right hip and bring our left foot to step behind the right leg, feeling a nice stretch in the right side body and the left hip flexor. Gently bringing the left leg back, and we'll do the other side, rolling onto the left hip and bringing the right toes to tap behind the left leg. Enjoying the stretch here. Gently coming back through the center and lowering all the way down onto the belly. Drawing the shoulders up towards the ears and down the back. Squeezing the elbows together, push your toenails into the floor. Inhale here. Lift the chest. Lift and hover the palms. Squeeze the elbows together. For 3. For 2. And 1. From here, extend the fingertips back towards the feet. Palms face down. Reach, 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 reach. Really feel those triceps turn on. And if you want, lift the feet and legs off the floor, gazing just beyond the top of your mat. Nice deep breaths here. And gently lowering, pushing yourself up into a plank and into downward facing dog. Pedal it out. Left and right. From here, let's inhale the right leg to lift. You're going to bring your right big toe and your second toe to hug the ankle of your left foot. You're then going to push down, feeling a nice stretch in the left calf. Let's gently release and do the other side. So inhale the left leg to lift. The big toe and second toe hug the back of the right ankle and push down. And gently release this side. And from here, we'll tippy toe ourselves all the way up to the top of the mat, bringing your feet behind your wrists. And once you're there, just allow the head to hang heavy, drape the belly over the thighs, and let the head go. You can nod the head yes and no, sway from side to side. From here, sprinkling your fingertips onto the floor or onto the shins. Inhale to a flat back. And exhale to fold. From here, opening up your feet as wide as your mat. Heels in, toes out. Drawing the crown of the head towards the top of the mat and your bum towards the back of the mat. So we're not looking to sink into our flexibility. It's more of a pulling action in opposite directions. Just holding it here. Nice deep breaths. And if you'd like, begin to lift your hands off the mat. Send your bum back, open your knees wide, and reach your fingertips towards the front of the mat. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bringing your hands to prayer. Again, we're not looking to sink into our flexibility. Keep that lift, squeeze your glutes, open up the knees with your elbows, push firmly into your palms, broaden through the collarbone. Nice deep breaths here. And gently from here, you can sink into your malasana, your squat. Gonna let the head drop, reach your fingertips forward. I like to grip the sides of my mat and pull. Doing the nice stretch through the spine, the groin. And from here, lifting the gaze, bringing your hands behind you and coming to sit on the mat. And from here, we'll lower all the way down onto our backs, bending the knees in towards the chest, bringing the soles of the feet to touch, wrapping your hands around your feet, and then pulling the soles of your feet in towards your chest, and at the same time, opening up the knees with your elbows. You can find stillness here or rock from side to side. We'll take a brief twist, closing the knees, cactusing the arms, dropping both knees to the right and gaze to the left. Gaze back towards the ceiling, drawing the knees back in and dropping the knees to the other side. Let's bring the gaze back towards the ceiling, drawing the knees back in, taking that double wind relieving pose, drawing the knees in towards the chest, feeling your thighs compress up against your belly. Wrap your arms around your knees or grab onto your feet. Squeeze here into a nice tight ball for 3, for 2. Let's take a nice big inhale, squeeze, 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 squeeze. And exhale, release. Extend the legs out wide, arms out wide for your Shavasana. And if you're experiencing any low back discomfort, you can always keep the knees bent, bring the feet as wide as your mat, and allow the knees to knock in. I hope you enjoyed today's practice, and I will see you back here again soon. Have a wonderful day.